Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine. Friends, ready to reclaim your morning? Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today's we are looking at the best low maintenance short hairstyles for 2026. These cuts are designed for the busy woman who wants to look chic and polished with absolutely minimal effort. So let's find your new signature look. First up, the texture pixie. This is the ultimate wash and go style. Because of the clever layering, it naturally falls into place. Whether you have straight or wavy hair, a little bit of styling cream is all you need to look like just stepped out of a salon. It's airy, cool, and incredible freely. Next we have the blunt bob and tapered necklines. A well structured cut does the hard work for you. These styles keep their shapes for weeks, meaning favor salons visits and no more fighting with the blow dry. It's about working with your hair's natural texture rather than against it. So friends, which of these easy to manage styles is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to simplify your beauty routine, hit that like button and subscribe for more hair hacks. Stay stylish and we will see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.